Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Sony TV won't turn on. So if your TV won't turn on and you're trying to turn it on using your remote control, that most probably indicates that your remote control is simply discharged, or rather it has discharged batteries. So remove the back cover from it, remove the old batteries from here and replace them with a pair of new ones. However, of course, I understand if you don't have any replacement batteries at home. In such case, you're gonna have to locate the power button on your TV, and on some devices you will find the power button at the bottom of the TV. If it is at the bottom, it's gonna be located right beneath the Sony logo in the middle. You just have to find it with your finger, press it once, and it should turn your TV on. You can also tell if your TV is properly plugged in by checking this light indicator that will glow whenever you hold or press whenever your TV is turning on, when you're trying to turn it on with the power button. In some other cases, you can also find the power button on the right edge behind your TV at the bottom, or in some cases it's on the left edge of the TV. It really depends on the model, and there's no one right way to tell you where the power button is, but search either at the bottom of your TV beneath the Sony logo, or at the bottom on the back edge of your TV, so primarily in this place, in that area. Just try to turning it on using the physical button, and if this doesn't help you, then you can instead of short pressing the power button, you can hold it down for about 10 or 15 seconds until you can see the restarting restarting notification on your TV screen, and then your TV will restart. It's a soft reset of your TV, and after that your TV should restart normally. However, if this is not happening, then make sure that your TV is firmly plugged into the power outlet. So check both the cable that leads from your TV to the power outlet, both on the side of the TV, and make sure that it's firmly inserted. It's definitely located somewhere on the back of your TV. In my case, it's located on the right side at the top. So just try to push it inside. You can also make sure that the cable in your power outlets sits firmly. Make sure that your power outlet has power supply, and just try turning your TV on once again. If this doesn't help, so if your TV still won't turn on, you can power cycle it. It's done very easily. You just have to plug your TV out of the outlet. No, it wasn't the TV. Excuse me. So just plug it out of the outlet, and then wait for about 5 minutes, and then plug it back in. So try replugging your TV into the power source, then press the power button once again and try switching it on. Your TV will go through the whole restart cycle, and after that it should definitely turn on. If not, then there is probably a hardware issue with your cable, most often with the cable. So try buying yourself a new cable, connect it to your TV and to the power outlet, and turn your TV once again. If this doesn't work, then at this point this is most probably a hardware issue, and unfortunately I cannot tell you how to handle it yourself, and I don't think that it's safe either. So instead, I recommend reaching out to Sony Customer Support service and telling them about this problem, and they will definitely help you out with your issue. And that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.